Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an INFINIX Note 40 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, however it does not really matter, you can do on whichever mode you want to. I just wanted to draw your attention to the grid lines. I've applied them before I've started recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically the grid lines should disappear after the whole operation. So now let's start with opening the settings, which are in the left upper corner. And now we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find Restore Defaults. Then let's tap on Restore, and as you can see we just got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.